Hey everyone, and welcome back to Business Zone. Being a teacher can be hard, especially if making money is a big goal of yours. There's no need to worry though, because in 2020, you have many options to get the cash flowing. You don't need to be super skilled or have a lot of time on your hands just to be able to make some money. Sometimes you need to save for college, or maybe you have your eye on a little gift for yourself. Whatever your reason is, these jobs will be sure to help you out. Today we're going to be talking about the top 20 ways to make money as a teenager in 2020. Make sure you stay until number 1 so you don't miss out on the top 15 ways to make money on Amazon. Number 10. Get paid to search the web and play games. There are plenty of websites out there that claim to offer money in exchange for very small tasks. Swagbucks is one of them. This is a reputable site that many teenagers try out to earn some quick cash. It may not be huge earnings, but it sure is something, and it's not hard to do at all. Swagbucks will pay you to do things such as search the web, play games, and watch videos. This is used by companies to review their user experience and see how well their products are doing in the public. You can help them out and make money while doing so. It's a win-win situation. This does take a bit of time to get going, but the best part is that it's absolutely flexible. You also get to choose the tasks that you want to do. So if you have commitment issues, then this is definitely the job for you. Start playing and earning. Number 9. Dog walking. Teenagers have been walking dogs for as long as they've been looking for money. There is a reason for this side hustle is timeless. It's easy and lucrative, and depending on you, it can even be enjoyable. Plenty of people look for dog walkers. There are even websites with ads looking for them. Jump on the bandwagon and try it out. To boost your earnings, maybe consider adding other offers. Maybe you walk with pets that aren't dogs. You can also try selling animal baths and grooming if you have the skills. Pet sitting can be even more lucrative than just dog walking. There are many possibilities to consider to boost your earnings. So, if you're a pet lover, why not try this one out? There's nothing to lose and you may enjoy liking what you do. There are plenty of dog walking jobs out there, and people usually need these consistently, so check them out and you may be surprised with how much you can earn. Number 8. Start a YouTube channel. Oh, YouTube. Having a popular channel is a popular money-making goal that many try to obtain. YouTube is full of stars who monetize their channels in a big way. The key on earning on YouTube is to create content that's enjoyable without initially focusing too much on making money. This is a difficult job, but it can be highly lucrative. YouTube has a couple of options to earn. You first need a couple thousand views and subscribers. Then, you may be able to monetize your content. YouTube is a bit strict on who gets monetized, so watch out for the rules. You can get paid to run ads on your videos. You can also gather sponsorship deals. This is when other companies come to you and then give you a way to advertise their products on your channel. This is usually less strict than YouTube's monetization method, so try to consider this. Overall, if you put in the hard work, you can become a successful YouTuber that earns big. From a couple of hundred to maybe even thousands of dollars. Work to get there, but understand that this is not the easiest way for a teenager to make money. Number 7. Tutor. Are you good with a particular subject? Maybe you help out your siblings or friends with schoolwork. If this is the case, start earning with what you already know how to do. Tutoring is a great side hustle to have at any age, since it is almost always in demand. Tutoring involves you teaching others a particular lesson or subject. You can easily advertise your services in your school or neighborhood. Maybe it is easier for you to teach younger kids. Maybe it's easier for you to teach students your own age. Whatever the case is, you can come up with techniques and teaching styles that fit both you and your customers. There are also ways to do this online. Someone may schedule a Zoom session or Skype call to learn from you remotely. This means you can broaden your customer base even wider and gain even more money. This is an excellent job if you like flexibility and big earnings. Number 6. Get a part-time job. Number 6 on this list is a surefire way to earn a decent amount of money. Getting a part-time job means you actually go out and apply for jobs in retail, food, or other services. This takes quite a lot of time and effort, so it might not be for you, but if you really need a monthly earning, this is a big option to consider. Sometimes get-rich-quick options won't work out. There is never an easy way when it comes to earning. So this is why many parents push their kids to apply for traditional jobs. Just set up a resume and find some job openings. You should be able to land something quick enough. This is semi-flexible, where you can try to narrow down the type of work that you want to do. Maybe you're open to everything except waiting tables. Or maybe you just want to work in retail. Job openings are everywhere, and a quick search on the web will get you there quick. Number 5. Take online surveys. The internet is a great place. Nowadays, teenagers flock to the web to search for jobs. Remote jobs and gigs allow many people to earn quick cash and easily. Some of these are more lucrative than others though. One popular method of earning quick cash is taking online surveys. Many people do it when they're strapped for cash, and it can actually pay out quite well. Online surveys are used by many companies in order to help get an idea of how they should market and sell their products to consumers. Thankfully, they will pay people in order to maintain this information. This is where you come in. You can set aside however much time you have available and finish as many surveys as you like. You'll get paid for each one, and the price varies from survey to survey. It is a simple enough endeavor that will have you earning in no time. The earnings may not be big at first, but they definitely add up. It's easy to fill out these surveys, just answer a few questions. If you're looking for something fast, this is it. Number 4, rent out your stuff. Have your friends ever borrowed your stuff? Maybe they've asked you to borrow your games, or possibly a book or two. Does this often happen? Well, why not start charging them for it? That's right, just like you rent a movie at a rental place, you can charge people to borrow your stuff. Do you have any physical media such as books, games, movies, and CDs? Some people may want to rent these out from you, but the products don't stop there. Get creative and you may decide to rent out clothes or even your bike. You can set the price to whatever you need it to be, then advertise to your friends and neighbors. This job is a bit time consuming, but it's easy to get the hang of. Just figure out what your prices will be, then figure out how you'll get the word out. Also, try to think of renting out items that are in demand. Maybe your class has a book report due soon. If you have that book, it will definitely come in handy. Number 3, make an Etsy store. Are you the creative type? Maybe you like arts and crafts projects. If this is the case, you should really consider selling your crafts on Etsy. Etsy is an online shop where creators come together to sell handmade and DIY items. These items range anywhere from stickers to birdhouses to t-shirts and more. Get creative. You don't necessarily have to be super artsy to start. Just learn how to print stickers or design prints and you should be good to go. You can always hone your skills and update your shop later. The flexibility of what you sell is the best part. This is your shop and you have complete freedom. Etsy does take a small portion of what you sell, but worry not. With proper exposure, you can still make tons of sales. This one does take a bit of time and effort, but it is definitely worth it. Start your own shop today and watch as the orders come rolling in. Number 2, wash cars. Maybe manual labor jobs are more up your alley. People are consistently needing to wash their cars. It's almost a necessity. You can absolutely take advantage of this and make money by washing cars. It is hard work, but that means that you can earn a lot of cash with just a few cars. Washing cars is a great job to have. It teaches you hard work and you earn from it. It isn't difficult to wash a car and it can sometimes be time consuming, so take note of that. You can also charge for different types of services. You can charge extra for vacuuming, or if you're more industrious, a quick wax or detailing service. The possibilities are endless. To really start earning from this, you need to advertise your services well. It helps if you can advertise to off-roaders or people who drive a lot. Maybe it rained recently and people want to wash off some of the mud from their car. You can charge them for that service. Car washing is a classic teenager job that still works today, so get on it. Number 1. Do yard work. Much like car washing, yard work still takes quite a lot of time and effort, but again, this can become a great job. Earnings can skyrocket and you can make a pretty decent salary from this job. You choose the type of yard work you want to do based off your skills and liking. Many people are looking for yard workers, so help them out and start earning. Yard work can be anything from raking leaves to full-on landscaping. Just make sure you know how to do these things properly and you'll be all set to work. It may help to offer multiple services so you can widen your target market and become local competition. This will help you earn even bigger. A great thing to think about is the weather or season. If it's spring, people want to grow flowers and make a flower bed. In summer, your neighbors might want you to water their yards. Fall means raking up leaves and winter means shoveling snow. Offer all these services and you've got work all year round. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.